Oh, I really need to write down points about what I need to say, because I don't know what to say.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush. Guess it's all a game of patience. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flaws with me? Let me know. I told her thinking is wrong.
Okay, so you just saw two little edit clips that I shot testing out the Zhiyun Crane. I bought the Zhiyun Crane in September of 2018. What the hell was I thinking? So many people messaged me saying, dude, the Ronin S is out, the Ronin S is nearly out, Ronin S is 20 times better than Zhiyun Crane, why did you get the Zhiyun Crane? Well, I needed it for this trip. I'm in Egypt right now, I'm going to Bali next, and a stabilizer was something that I needed to add to my kit, and I did not have the time to wait for the Ronin S to come out. In South Africa, it's on pre-order everywhere. I don't know if it's actually out or like if everybody's just bought it and they have no stock left, but I would have had to wait until the end of September, which is now, until I got the Ronin S if I was going to get that. Zhiyun Crane 2 was also cheaper. It was on special at a camera store in South Africa. It was on special around most of South Africa. So for me, it was a no-brainer. I got it a decent $200 or $300 off of the retail price. And if you go and look at anyone's videos, Sam Calder, Taylor Cut, you never know what gimbal they're using. You never know if they're using a glide cam, if they're using a Zhiyun Crane, if they're using a Ronin S. So I wasn't trying to get into this notion of being obsessed with gear and having to have the latest new stuff, because your shots all look the same at the end of the day, whether you're using a Ronin S or Zhiyun Crane 2 or the Crane 3 that's about to come out as well. For me, buying it on special was a no-brainer. What do I think of it? I love it. It has changed my videos like you can't believe. I'm still editing a lot of the footage that I've shot with it. I still need to get used to it. I'm still learning every day that I use it, but it changed my videos like you can't believe. If I could go back and talk to myself when I was first getting into content and filmmaking, I would say prioritize stabilization 100% from the get-go. It's something that you can't just ignore. Like, it changes your videos so much. I'm looking to go more behind the scenes and how everything gets made, how all of the crazy shots that you see on Instagram are done, and tips and tricks, and not only the cinematic travel side, that basically the highlight reel of the trip, but also the raw moments behind it, the 36 hours you spend in the airport, all of the crazy mishaps that happen along the way. So if you like filmmaking, if you like travel and videos and content creation in general, please hit the subscribe button, please like, please turn on notifications. It means the world to me. So yeah, peace.